kakra nti nim se ne cocoa eboa me ko tamana me na ba Matias ye kosra na ewo Sedimasi abonse cocoa etwa ne fie ne ho ahia saa de dibi raw ne ade na kokwe one of the traditional crops among Ghana sikapa bibi koso wa e man we no say yem follow data no
sure
ntini bibi sia na na ne afa ne de adwen ko week we ana Reuters the story we by me hu me yem hye me hu na me say one of the usual things but Reuters obi of film achievement me about Reuters France 24 yeah I take them serious. I like their style of journalism no mu chulo mta kokwa Ecuador set to become world's number 2 cocoa grower, industry head says. Thomas says Ghana, from the no Cote d'Ivoire, and they produce a lot of cocoa to the world. Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire produce about 60% of the world cocoa beans. Now Ghana they be any second, yes, and South Africa gold and a fair seconds. Now when they be strange, and you want to kill how come Ecuador, Southern America, Southern America, also the climatological variations now. On Ghana weather no, you almost the same thing. Same you can say the same. You almost the same. We have similarities in weather. Because the continent that one the weather patterns in the Ghana then and any Africa South America. You cannot compare to Europe. You cannot compare to Asia. Now go story. They be make us obi true be mawa. Read the story line by line or say. Ecuador is on course to produce more than 650,000 metric tons of cocoa in the 2026 and 2027 season. Akwa say Sekas will be a set tour. Akwa is set to host cocoa to me. Now Akwa will host here. By a shame say one about hosti. And Akwa say a shame say Cote d'Ivoire. Yanko board no so. About they produce 650,000. 650,000. Niatiana say for 2026, 2027. Niatiana say Ghana cannot meet this for the 2026, 2027 season, according to the industry head. Yeah. And say and could surpass Ghana as the world's second largest grower of the chocolate ingredient. The chairman of the country's cocoa exporters association said. Or say, and Cacao Evans, Ontario, head, told Reuters via mail that thanks to soaring cocoa prices, farmers by public and private sector are investing more in their plots and getting increased yield.
Okay.
And the Ecuador, and so many say, cocoa blow coffee, and to more plots, and the cocoa no kese.
Right.
I've got the story, so the story is quite clear.
Yes, so more interest na cocoa.
Exactly. Now, second line will say, Ecuador's population has shown steady growth for years. Ghana's production has been volatile. Akokwa mekane chemistry kasi be volatile. I say ekosro na aba from it mean nyafa ko ti remember example you do light near so low current no so so bob na ko na aba power dey fan fluctuation of energy but me dey tell volatile I say e nyafa eko na aba eno ni volatile mutrobojo as wo ye nyunu as wo ye who she dem hu ni but we say Ecuador dem I just stable it say we draw graph now. Right. Akokwa so be kai to mani graph for school na graph na. Most Ecuador dey no aye bibi ti say. Aye bibi ti say steady. Ana Ghana dey na say
zigzag.
I'll prove data say no crown and no. But I want us to read what Reuters is saying. Akokwa cocoa important. There is a conversation is akokwa ye ma mu do na we ana mbe share ye. Yeah. Ye ma mu do na we and I'm the man who are doctor and lawyer. We now began the chip dom. Cocoa. And I began the chip all these years. Yeah. Now, Cocoa say a Reuters poll released earlier this month forecast that Ghana is battling illegal gold mining on cocoa farms and struggling to rein in the spread of swollen shoe disease. We produce just 600,000 tons of cocoa in 2025-2026. And Jakokwa, in this brilliant article by Reuters, they diagnosed the paralysis of Ghana's cocoa sector. Or say, Swollen so yare bi ebo koko dua ne ntima koko ni na e haye. Na bra wi ko do mu ni koko ni ma mu ton sase bi koko ni ye de ne bi 2 galamsey. Ako na we say carry certain kamapon.
Query.
Ba answer obi kan headline na no. The shocking details no. Ana wo say cocoa farms in Ecuador are currently yielding an annual 800 kilogram per hectare. Adding the country is expected to produce more than 570,000 tons 2025-2026 season and expects to reach 800,000 tons by the end of the decade. Means by 2030 no more free 550,000. I got numbers 570,000 to okay first one no say 650,000.
Yeah.
2025-2026 570. 2026-27 saying 650,000. Or say by 2030 no maybe saying 800,000. Now cocoa format here. Or say cocoa prices have more than doubled last year, reaching high above $12,000 a ton, following failed investment and diseases in West Africa, producing Ivory Coast and Ghana, which supply about half of world's cocoa. Or see, meanwhile, Ghana yare, any a cocoa no, na who are they call from my brother to my cabapano? I have Ecuador. Farmers in Ecuador get around 90% of the world price. Only the difference no. Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire no, and Ivory Coast no. Yeah, cocoa board. So I cocoa we yeah energy for the spot prices and the future prices. My mistake ne, me produce bi bia ma me to ni say. It is a price and the cost for the man so cocoa farmers and they get a pittance. But the Ecuador there is no cocoa board. There's no anything of a cocoa board. Right. They sell to private people and intermediaries. There's competition. It's when the time there's competition, prices here then.
Sure.
Even without an entity like a cocoa board in Ecuador, look at how well Reuters is eulogizing the work of Ecuador.
Yeah.
Cocoa board. Now, you see, numbers are strange.
Yeah.
And baby, me catch you say when you look at data, strip the data. What had there? Maybe some sources, so money 5 fastest or 5 top growers of cocoa. And you see, the chart is self-explanatory. Yellow no, 2023. Blue no, 2024. So what am I doing in this graph? I'm trying to compare the 2023 cocoa growing year to 2024. Now I compare what had there. Ivory Coast 2023 against 2024 SOT. Ghana 2023 against 2024 SOT. Ecuador 2023 against 2024 Kosro. Nigeria 2023 against 2024 Kofum. Cameroon Kofum. Of the top 5 producing cocoa countries in the world, the only country at 2023 against 2024 the production Kosro is Ecuador.
Yeah.
This is the first thing that bears Reuters out to say. On the report, no more, no,
right.
2, I got a chart. This is from 2010. Ghana, yeah, production compared to Ecuador, I had there. We see word be volatile. About Ghana, no. When you look at this graph, this is volatile. But look at Ecuador, no, you see steady. Kakra. In the 2010 ya wasa for him.
Ya kwa ni ehuri aton.
Say cocoa na cocoa ni produce around 630,000 tons. Na Ecuador say time na cocoa no produce less than 200,000 tons. Libya na na janto ade ati na wana ade ba say China start ye cocoa yi bi person mo ye climate engineer bi dia cocoa.
Yeah, na introduce.
Akokwa he hade.
Sure.
Na Ecuador 2010 less than 200,000. Na Ghana over 600,000 metric tons. And Ecuador akudu akokwa ahwa makodu ba bia na Ghana wonu he as if it's some menya
omo ya men ho kakra
akwa hade it's almost a straight line and omo makodu saying 610,000. So you go by logical. If you're going by how Ecuador have grown from 200,000 to 620,000, about 400,000 tons. Can say Ghana by now? Can say about a million. Based on the trajectory, obviously 200, about 180. There was 200 for purposes of simple mass. Well, they say 200,000. I could do 620,000. From 2010 to 2023, where 2023 figure in 14 years. 2010, 2011, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. In what? 30 years. And they are increasing by 400,000. Ghana in 30 years, if you averaging 620,000, Chakokwa, maybe agencies here, just about 680,000. Into a cast of volatile, and I say, yeah, Cocoa Brabon, ya bako yechi. Now, reasons so I wrote as a catching in say no creno. 1 air day, Galamsey. 2 yare. It's Cocoa Research Institute then on way. CSR then on way book cocoa sector.
Yeah.
Aqua. You book cocoa sector.
Yeah.
So this is the data. Now, many are confused. Join me for a research. Aqua stupid data. 2010 money was from Russia. That's about what? 2 billion. About 2.3 billion.
Yeah.
For most time, once I say time, I prefer to start a mass spraying of cuckoo. Rebecca, Banty, and Nigeria for Cofano Diamono. As a commode of Bimba comes off from a chain, bit correct me. On this are mass sprayed by Central Region of 4 years nationwide. And you bet see 1 million metric tons of kaya of cuckoo in 2011, if my memory serves me right. Yeah, somewhere 2011, 2012. Aqua had a 2.87 billion.
Wow.
Revenue from cocoa, the highest. 2024, you know the lowest we've recorded in 14 years. So we are sacrificing our cocoa farms for illegal mining. And the cocoa is a gold bond numbers now kosra, and free.
You see, the gold in easy cocoa name.
Exactly.
The essence.
If you look at the revenue, you see that angle of what? Volatility.
They say we have videos and forcing the cocoa no Tony into what the magalam say for no wajiska to nepoto. And we've seen people who are cutting down cocoa trees. Say omode pesika. Baby I be drew no. The cocoa very sad, but for me, you know, what we have to do as a country is that a cocoa. Yentenase. We have that conversation. You know. Are we ready to mortgage our future for illegal mining? But the cocoa omo ba o chat na oba. It's not going to be a place when it comes to cocoa. It's not only about cocoa, you see. Say you can't say no, I say cocoa in Kwani Adjune was. Your farmlands and yes, completely. And Kobani say yeah. That's all the data be back.
Yeah, cocoa na me back. Brilliant. Means that article no home can be about plantain.
Right.
Can be okay na ma so me share that scape. Was say. Cocoa in Ecuador is growing in agroforestry systems that support biodiversity and are crucial to preventing the spread of disease among common in monoculture farming. Almost see Ecuador for let me study be on say ya be affect cocoa. Don't my system here. No say these systems include growing cocoa alongside shade trees, plantains, coffee and fruit trees.
Now we a dear galamsey no grave de dua bibi wase ada we dua bibi afam sa na say o wo dua hwe nye ye bi
okay ya na magen ba so nta ho kwani iko de baby say dia Ghana ya catch for say one your professor say akoko mo metimi study agro forestry system you say ye dua cocoa no ye de bode ka ho ye de cafe ka ho ye de fruit trees ka ho e be ma ye cocoa no disease yare e ba so no eswat e mo dia ko manim akwa ne aka nsensem yi won se yanyen
da yeni agi gold ma yesika ene ye busi
akwa reho and we are looking at this data na be kwa na cocoa sector na
oh yeah
then un be ana so na Ghana no akwa kan data we say they have to in the last 8 years akwa look at how we've managed the sector. This is data, look at it. In the last 14 years, cocoa bra bought papa in 2017. If you were here, cocoa, you see that they move.
And they are Cote d'Ivoire sign. Ecuador so be sign. Yes. It be like a crown on I say cocoa no crowd ye bogan dia.
Exactly.
Adia na ye chimre mo no.
Ye nka. But no article be make come South America. Yes, so me who say hano.
Yeah.
You know de. Thomas say Peru. also start it.
And say cocoa prices no. Unse wo ana because now we are channeling to say no man. And obi any abre China kura any abre.
Yes, me so they have go human China.
Na say no matimi e omo first you kura omo harvest na 6 tons.
Yes, na kokoro so omo kura omo de no why na say omo ya na package omo na to say from non polluted lands. Is it yet the democracy bu omo reject? Yes, unsa na say some dem fi call joy no say gold no yet me tonko season na ade direct India ni ade ko wono omo bisa traceability. It's a cool price ni go na ye nya no. E wo fam.
Yeah. I know it. And yes,
I just wanted to highlight it. I go the next story here. Mami Odasi.